Kata. Ang dami nilang ano. Siguro dyan nag-aano yung seeds nila. Look at that. Ito malapit na siyang matapos. Look at that flower, beautiful. Mas may iba siyang kulay, guys. Look at that. Mga dahlia. So, variety of dahlias. Ang dami niya. Yellow, mix, orange. Look at the yellow. Oh my God. And this one too. Diba? Tapos yan. Daming kulay. Look at the orange. Ito purple naman. Purple. Different color. Madami. Parang ayun, may pa-balloons doon, may fairy doon. There's some fairy there. Ayan. Update ko kayo later.